Control your lights, locks, and life, all from one Apple app. This is the future of smart home integration. Apple's smart home journey has taken an exciting leap forward in recent months, reshaping the way adults interact with technology in their living spaces. At High Tech Gadgets News, we're committed to bringing you the latest, most relevant updates, and today's review dives deep into Apple's rapidly evolving HomeKit platform, the integration of the Matter standard, and the company's ambitious hardware expansion, all designed to make the smart home experience more seamless, secure, and intuitive than ever before. The cornerstone of Apple's smart home strategy in 2024 is its adoption and integration of the Matter standard. Matter, an industry-wide protocol for smart home devices, has been incorporated into Apple's ecosystem through updates to iOS 16.1, iPadOS 16.1, macOS Ventura, watchOS 9.1, tvOS 16.1, and HomePod software 16.1. This marks a pivotal shift not just for Apple, but for the broader smart home landscape. For years, device interoperability, getting gadgets from different brands to play nicely together, was a major pain point for consumers. The arrival of Matter within Apple's Home app means users can now control a broad range of smart devices, regardless of brand, with unprecedented ease. This isn't just about convenience, it's about future-proofing the smart home. Whether you're adding a new light, a thermostat, or a security camera, the Home app increasingly acts as a true central hub, offering a unified interface and reliable control. For adults upgrading their homes, this interoperability translates into genuine peace of mind. No more worrying about whether a new device will require its own app or if it will clash with your existing setup. Apple's commitment to supporting Matter ensures your investments in smart home tech are protected and remain compatible as the market evolves. This is especially relevant as more manufacturers join the Matter ecosystem, opening up a wider selection of products and features for consumers to choose from. But Apple isn't stopping at software. The company is making bold moves in hardware, signaling a new era for smart home enthusiasts and tech-savvy adults. Late 2024 reports confirm that Apple is preparing to launch a new HomePod equipped with a built-in display. This device is designed to become the centerpiece of the Apple smart home experience, a command center where users can interact with their devices visually, manage scenes, and monitor security feeds through HomeKit Secure Video. The display adds a tactile layer to voice control, making it easier to glance at notifications, adjust settings, or even view live camera footage. For those who've hesitated to fully embrace smart home tech due to reliance on voice-only interfaces, this new HomePod represents a significant improvement, blending touch, sight, and sound for a richer experience. This upcoming HomePod isn't just an incremental update, it's a strategic pivot. Apple is positioning it as the go-to hub for smart home management, reflecting a deeper understanding of user needs. With a sleek design and the familiar Apple build quality, it also promises to fit seamlessly into any modern adult's living room, kitchen, or bedroom. Integration with HomeKit and HomeKit Secure Video means your privacy and security are maintained at the highest standards, a hallmark of Apple's approach to personal data. Looking further ahead, Apple is reportedly developing its own line of smart home accessories, with production of an indoor security camera slated to begin in 2026. This development underscores Apple's commitment to a comprehensive, first-party ecosystem. Rather than relying solely on third-party manufacturers, Apple's entry into the security camera market signals a drive towards tighter integration, enhanced security, and a more unified experience for users. These cameras are expected to leverage HomeKit Secure Video, offering encrypted footage and advanced privacy features that set Apple apart from many competitors in the smart home surveillance space. For adults who prioritize both high-tech innovation and robust privacy, these moves are particularly significant. The ability to manage your home's security, lighting, and climate with a single app, and increasingly, with Apple's own hardware, eliminates the fragmentation that has long plagued the smart home market. It also means updates, patches, and new features will arrive reliably and securely through Apple's trusted ecosystem, reducing the risk of vulnerabilities that can arise from mixing devices from disparate sources. Beyond devices and standards, Apple's strategy reflects a broader vision for the future of smart homes. The convergence of Matter and HomeKit, combined with a growing stable of Apple-branded hardware, points to an ecosystem where simplicity, reliability, and user-centric design take center stage. The new HomePod's display isn't just a tech novelty. It's a recognition that adults want practical, accessible ways to interact with their homes. The move towards first-party accessories, starting with security cameras, demonstrates Apple's intention to offer a soup-to-nuts solution, one where everything works together, updates are seamless, and privacy is never compromised. So, what does this mean for adults looking to upgrade their living spaces with the latest high-tech gadgets? First, it's an invitation to invest in a platform that's rapidly becoming the gold standard for smart home integration. With Matter support, you can confidently expand your setup, knowing that new devices will mesh smoothly with existing ones. The upcoming HomePod display promises to streamline control, making it easier to manage everything from lighting to security at a glance. And with Apple's own cameras on the horizon, the promise of a truly unified, secure smart home is closer than ever. For those who value informative news and unbiased reviews, it's important to note that Apple's moves are not just keeping pace with the competition, they're helping define the direction of the industry. The focus on interoperability, privacy, and user experience sets a high bar for other manufacturers to follow. And as more products and updates roll out, adults who embrace Apple's ecosystem can enjoy not just cutting-edge technology, but the confidence that comes from choosing a platform built for longevity and reliability. In summary, Apple's smart home evolution in 2024 is marked by three key developments: deep integration of the Matter standard for unmatched device compatibility, the launch of a HomePod with a display, transforming smart home control, and the upcoming debut of Apple-branded smart home accessories, starting with an indoor security camera. These initiatives collectively signal Apple's intention to make smart homes more accessible, cohesive, and secure for adults everywhere. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for ongoing updates and in-depth reviews as these products hit the market. Whether you're a seasoned smart home enthusiast or just beginning to explore the possibilities, Apple's latest advances offer compelling reasons to invest in a smarter, more connected future. As new gadgets and features emerge, we'll continue to provide the news, analysis, and insights you need to make informed decisions and keep your home at the cutting edge of technology. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.